What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to this video. In today's video, we're basically just gonna do a little recap of how I made $992 today trading gold futures and NQ futures. And so, just gonna jump straight into the video. It's not gonna be a quick one. It's just gonna be a quick trade recap. So, jump straight into it. We on gold. We're on the 15-minute chart. And on the 15-minute chart, what I noticed last night before I took the setup was that we on the hourly chart, was that we took out this buy side. We took out this buy side here, and then we ended up displacing lower below the low that sponsored the buy side liquidity sweep, which was this low. So once we displaced below this low to me, and we left this fair value gap here on the hourly chart, I was okay, let's drop down to the 15-minute chart and let's see what's on the 15-minute chart. See if the 15-minute chart offer any type of further confluence or entry or anything like that. So I dropped down to the 15-minute chart and I noticed that we have this, it kind of looks a little bit more cleaner now and it looks more structured. So we have buy side taken out here above these highs and these highs here. Then we have displacement below, swing low, that sponsored the buy side liquidity sweep. Leave a fair value gap on the 15-minute chart, hourly chart, and I'm pretty sure on the 30-minute chart as well. Then we ended up displacing from this fair value gap lower. I didn't take the entry off the first fair value gap. I wanted to wait and see if it gave me a second entry on a lower fair value gap that I was more confident in. I mean, I was confident in this one, but I just didn't want to take this one because I kind of have problems where I kind of jump into like the first setup I'll see, and then sometimes it's not the best. So I was like, I'm just gonna wait for more information before I take any type of position at all. Now I did like seeing that reaction from the first fair value gap. That kind of gave me like a 50% plus boost to like my setup idea that I wanted to see happen. So then we displaced lower from this initial first fair value gap right up here. Well, it's not a first fair value gap, but in terms of like the range, this was the first fair value gap to offer that sell lower. So I noticed jumping down into the 5-minute chart, then at this point, I noticed that we had this inversion fair value gap. Now, I was okay, well, if price want to keep going higher from, this, then I would want to see at least this fair value gap or the lower fair value gap respect and hold price to continue to push it higher. It kind of just like straight up disrespected that, both of them. So that right there to me was even more confluence that we're going lower. It's not going higher. We're definitely going lower. So I waited until an opportunity was present, which was this opportunity right around here. And I kind of put my stop loss above here because we failed to trade above and close above the 50% of this fair value gap. So that kind of just basically confirmed that we're really bullish. We're really bearish. We're really bearish. Bearish. And I mean bullish. We're really bearish. So it's okay, that's cool. Let's see if it offers me any setup. And I see it offered the setup right here. So I took it on my live account. I actually ended up going to sleep while I was in this trade too as well. So I ended up waking up at 4:50. I closed it out about like 750 profit. So I kind of made back my loss from yesterday. And then this morning when I woke up, I actually woke up because I was trading gold around Asian to London session. And then I woke up, traded NQ around AM session, which was this move here. There's not really much of anything to go off of on the higher time frames for me guys to break down the trade for you, because I was on the 1-minute chart when I took this trade, but I'll break that down really quickly. So on the 1-minute chart, I noticed that we ended up taking out the London lows here. And after we took out the London lows, I was like, okay, are we going to have some form of displacement higher in the opposite direction? And eventually we had the displacement in the opposite direction, this BPR. Then I entered in right around here and I took my profit out right above here, just kind of this candle. So like at the very like high of this candle, I took out profit. I didn't even wait for the next candle to come and spike the high. I just closed my profit. I actually used half risk on this position as well too. So instead of me risking a full 500 to make, you know what I'm saying, 500, I only risked 250 to make 250, if I'm being honest with you. Because I already won today and I didn't want to give back any of my winning profits. So I would rather half my risk or half of my winning profits or a quarter of my winning profits. I would rather risk that to make more profits instead of risking all of my profits, or, you know, win is a win, done, done. But yeah, that was the trade setup for today. It is FOMC, so we should be seeing FOMC like kick in a little bit later. We kind of got like, I want to say an hour and like 44 minutes until we got FOMC. So not probably won't take any more trades for the day, especially on the live account or my Apex account. But I will be looking at taking a trade on my Tradeify account, my Select account on Tradeify. Trying to get that passed so I can either choose the red pill or the blue pill. I haven't made my mind up which one I'm gonna choose yet, but I am kind of leaning towards the daily withdrawals. I am kind of, because my strategy of the 1-to-1, it really does justice. So being able to withdraw the profit that I make every day, that's reasonable. I can do that, especially that I only target a 1-to-1. So it's like not really hard to achieve or accomplish the daily withdrawals or passing an account. But anyways, that's all. I just wanted to go over with you guys the two trades that I took today, the gold and the NQ long. Uh, that was all today. I'll be back with another video next time. See you guys later. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Don't blow your accounts today as well too. It is FOMC. Be careful. Be mindful. Be disciplined. Have structure in your trading. See you later.